Joey, what are you doing?
I'm just scraping the innards of a pumpkin. It's a holiday pumpkin that I'm scraping the innards of. Not going to make a jack-o'-lantern though. I'm scraping the innards of a holiday pumpkin. Look at these holiday trees for you. Let's put them in there. Skiddly-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Skiddly-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And the skiddly-doodly-doo. And the wiggly-dot-diddly-doo-doo. And the skiddly-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Ba-da-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And the skiddly-doo-doo-doo. It's a skiddle-doddle-doodly-dee. It's a skiddle-doddle-doodly-dee. It's a skiddle-doddle-doodly-dee. Well, the skiddly-dot-diddly-doo-doo-doo-doo. And we like to touch ourselves on Wednesdays. Today is a Wednesday, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's a Wednesday. I like to throw my head in a pumpkin.
It smells.
It smells like pumpkin. This smells like a fresh holiday pumpkin. That's right. Fresh holiday pumpkin. We like to scrape the insides out and get your seeds out. These are big pumpkins.
How many cups of seeds do we have?
Like, not one.
Keep singing.
Oh, I got some pumpkin on the floor. You're gonna have to clean that up.
Would you like some candy? Back to the song.
Squeedle-dot-diddly-dee. I like to touch a pumpkin, pumpkin. Touch the pumpkin. And squeedle-dot-diddly-dee. Squeedle-dot-doodly-doo. Skiddly-dot.
It's okay, Mrs. Pumpkin Eater. Your pap smear is almost done. Oh, this really does smell delicious. Hi, I'm Rachel Ray. Today we're making pumpkin insides. Yummo!
However, no forensic evidence has yet been produced in this case. And further, you'll see that the defendant has not been charged with any offence in these matters related to sexual or physical assault. So the very stringent conditions we are suggesting are that he is subject to a rigorous state curse, that he appears at the police station every day, and that he lives and sleeps every night at his mother's known and fixed address.
I'm satisfied that if granted bail, there is a significant risk he may interfere with witnesses. No, you can't send me back in there. He will therefore be remanded in custody. But they've got nothing on me. They've got nothing on me. They've got nothing on me.
They've got nothing on me! I don't know what else to do with this pumpkin.
That's it. Ready? Bye-bye.
Bye.